Hi guys, welcome to GoldenEye. Today in this video we are doing one of the most important question of hire purchase system in which interest rate is missing. It may come in your exam. Let's start. Let's understand the question. On 1st January 2005, 5 trucks were purchased by Venus Transport Agencies from Vrindavan Traders on hire purchase system. The cash price of each truck is rupees 1,20,000. So total cash price of 5 truck will be 1,20,000 per truck into 5 is equal to rupees 6 lakh. The payment was to be made as follow. 10% of cash price down. So 6 lakh into 10% is equal to 60,000 will be down payment. 25% of cash price annually on 31st December. Venus Transport has decided to write off 15% depreciation annually on straight line method. They could not make the payment due on 31st December 2006. Vrindavan Traders took away 2 trucks at cost less 25% depreciation on diminishing balance method. It means written down value method. Show truck account and vendor account in the books of Venus Transport Agencies. Let's understand the answer. Venus Transport Limited purchased 5 truck of rupees 6 lakh. Per truck value is 1,20,000 into 5 truck is equal to 6 lakh. And Venus Agency paid 10% of cash price as down payment. So 6 lakh cash price into 10% is equal to 60,000. And also 25% of cash price paid as installment. So 6 lakh cash price into 25% is equal to 1,50,000 per year. Hire purchase price consists of down payment plus all installment. So down payment is 60,000 plus first installment 1,50,000 plus second installment 1,50,000 plus third installment 1,50,000 plus fourth installment 1,50,000. So total is 6,60,000. Now we will calculate total interest. How we calculate total interest? If we deduct cash price from hire purchase price, then we get total interest. So hire purchase price is 6,60,000 minus cash price 6 lakh is equal to 60,000. Interest rate is missing in the question, so we will use inverse progression method. Inverse progression method applies only in following condition. These are the 2 conditions. First is all installments, whether monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly, must be of equal duration. Second condition is all installment must be of equal amounts excepting the amount paid on signing the agreement. Generally, interest in the first installment is more than the other installment, and these interest becomes down in the rest of the installment. Year, first, second, third, fourth, number of installment outstanding 4. Why 4? Because in the first installment 1,50,000, this is second installment, this is third, and this is 4. That's why we are considering 4 installment is outstanding. After paying first installment, then in the second year 3 installment is remaining, and in the third year 2 installment is remaining, and in the fourth year 1 installment is remaining. So total of the installment is 10. How we calculate ratio? 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10, and last one is 1 by 10. Interest, total interest is 60,000 into 4 by 10 is equal to 24,000. So in the first year we will consider 24,000 interest. In the second year 60,000 into 3 by 10 is equal to 18,000. Third year 60,000 into 2 by 10 is equal to 12,000, and in the fourth year 60,000 into 1 by 10 is equal to 6,000 we will consider in the fourth year. In the books of Venus Agency, that is hire purchaser Vrindavan Traders account, on 1st January 2005 Venus Agency purchased a truck of rupees 6 lakh on 1st January 2005. So what will be the entry? Entry will be truck account debit to Vrindavan Traders account. And on 1st January 2005, Venus Limited paid 60,000 rupees as down payment. So entry will be Vrindavan Traders account debit to bank account. On 31st December 2005, by interest account 24,000, which we have calculated already. 31st December 2005 to bank account, this is installment paid entry. So entry will be Vrindavan Traders account debit to bank account 1,50,000. This is inclusive of interest. So there is no need to add interest separately in installment. 31st December 2005 to balance carried down 4,44,000. 4,14,000. This balance will brought down to the next year. On 1st January 2006, by balance brought down 4,14,000. 31st December 2006 by interest account 18,000. 31st December 2006 to truck account 1,35,000. How we get this amount? Let's understand this through working note. Venus Agency fails to pay installment due on 31st December 2006. So Vrindavan Traders took away 2 trucks at cost less 25% depreciation on diminishing balance method. It is mentioned in the question. So one truck value is 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 into 2 is equal to 2,40,000. So we will charge depreciation on diminishing balance method. So 2,40,000 into 25% is equal to 60,000. So after deducting 60,000 we get 1,80,000. Now for second year we will charge depreciation on 1,80,000 into 25% is equal to 45,000. So after deducting 45,000 we get 1,35,000. So vendor took away 2 truck of rupees 1,35,000. So entry will be Vrindavan Traders account debit 2 truck account 1,35,000. Value of 2 trucks standing in the books of hire purchaser. 2 truck cash price 1,20,000 into 2 is equal to 2,40,000. Here we will charge depreciation at the rate 15% straight line method. So 2,40,000 into 15% is equal to 36,000. So after deducting 36,000 we get 2,04,000. And for second year depreciation is same 36,000. So after deducting 36,000 we get 1,68,000. So value of 2 trucks standing in the books of hire purchaser of rupees 1,68,000, whereas vendor agreed to took away 2 trucks of rupees 1,35,000. It means there will be loss to the hire purchaser of rupees 33,000. 1,68,000 minus 1,35,000, then we get 33,000. 31st December 2006 to truck account 1,35,000 and balancing figure will be 2,97,000 on 31st December 2006. Now we will make truck account in the books of Venus Transport. In the books of Venus Transport, hire purchaser, truck account, debit, credit, date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. On 1st January 2005, Venus Transport purchased a truck to Vrindavan Trader rupees 6 lakh. If question is silent about depreciation, then we will charge depreciation at the end of the year. 31st December 2005, depreciation rate is 15% on straight line method. So 6 lakh into 15%, then we get 90,000 depreciation. So entry is depreciation account debit to truck account. 31st December 2005, by balance carried down 5,10,000. This balance will brought down to the next year. On 1st January 2006, 2 balance brought down 5,10,000. This year depreciation will be same 90,000 as we are using straight line method. So by depreciation 90,000. 31st December 2006 by Vrindavan Trader 1,35,000. Vrindavan Trader took away 2 assets of rupees 1,35,000. So what will be the entry? Entry will be Vrindavan Trader account debit to truck account. If we do ledger posting of truck account, then we write by Vrindavan Trader 1,35,000. 31st December 2006 by profit and loss 33,000. So this is a loss on assets. So entry is profit and loss account debit to truck account. 31st December 2006 by balance carried down 2,52,000. In the next video we will start a new chapter, joint venture. Now that this is done, if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.